Hello dear students, welcome to our next part of the video learning of history about the assertive nationalists. In this part we will learn about the contribution of the three great leaders. First, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The three leaders of assertive nationalists, they are known as Lal, Bal and Pal. Lal is Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Pal is Bipin Chandra Pal. They are known as the trio of assertive nationalists. First we shall learn about the contributions of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a maker of modern India. He is remembered as the maker of modern India. He demanded for Swaraj and gave the famous slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." And this became a slogan of every countryman those days, as freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. He insisted on achieving the political rights by demanding aggressively. Prior to this, it was the period of the moderates. They were having a begging tone, while Tilak demanded aggressively. He sought close contact with the masses. He thought the involvement of masses will be a better form of struggle against the British. He tried to inculcate the values like courage, self-defense and patriotism. To make India ready for the freedom struggle, he inculcated the values like courage, self-defense and patriotism. To do so, he organized number of akhadas and lathi clubs for physical training. Akhadas are like gymnasium, and lathi clubs are those one form of martial art of using sticks was taught those days. He preached nationalism through Ganesh festival and Shivaji festival. He started Ganesh festival in 1893 and Shivaji festival in 1895. In these festivals, the youth of the period were taught to be ready for the freedom struggle. He started two newspapers. They were Maratha in English language and Kesari in Marathi language. In the newspapers, he wrote about the exploitative British administration. Next comes, he wrote two books. He was deported to Mandale after the anti-partition movement. He was deported for 6 years, and those days he had written two great books known as Gita Rahasya and the Arctic Home of the Vedas. These are the usual questions that you will be getting. Name two books written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, two newspapers published by him, and then the akhadas and lathi clubs were set up by him, or the Home Rule League, or why he was known as the forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi. Next comes, he set up the Home Rule League at Pune in 1916 to attain self-rule. The Home Rule League movement was a movement of Ireland that was taught to us by an Irish lady, Annie Besant. Being inspired by her, Tilak had started the Home Rule League movement in 1916. Tilak was called the forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi. Many of the efforts like Swaraj, Swadeshi, Boycott, No Rent campaign had started by Tilak and lately were used and practiced by Mahatma Gandhi. So he was known as forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi because the idea of Swaraj, the involvement of masses, Swadeshi, boycott, prohibition, no rent campaign, all these were started by Tilak, and many years later, or They were started by him many years before Gandhiji. Later, Gandhiji used them. So he was known as forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi. Tilak suffered several terms of imprisonment during his freedom struggle. So had Gandhiji also suffered. This is another term what we can use as why he was called the forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's selfless patriotism and strong determination aroused the masses against the British, to go against the British and to work for the freedom. This is in brief about the contribution of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He had contributed with the slogan that is, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. And he inspired the millions of youth to come and join the freedom struggle. He started a movement in 1916 known as the Home Rule League movement. And many of his methods like Swaraj, involvement of mass, Swadeshi and boycott were used later by Mahatma Gandhi. So, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was known as forerunner of Mahatma Gandhi. These are in brief about the contribution of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In the next video, we will learn about Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal. Till then, keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.